What is up, everybody? Baxter over here at carwashcountry.com. Today I want to talk about how to clean microfiber towels if you're a beginner, if you're just somebody who's got a bunch of these laying around, they're dirty. What do you do with them? First thing you do is you take them to your mother-in-law's house and wash them in her machine. No, but really, it's pretty easy. There's not a lot to it, really. First thing you want to do is you want to separate these by type. So these are made out of polyester and something called polyamide. So this towel is like an 80-20 blend. The polyester is the 80%. The polyamide is the absorption element. So this is going to be something that you're going to use on your paint. And then something like this is more of a glass wipe. I think it's like 18% polyamide. That's really the main difference in these. They come in a bunch of different varieties. So make sure you separate them. Whatever ones you're using for glass, separate those from your primary, ones you use on paint. And then the ones you use to dry with that have the really long fibers that are really absorbent, separate those from the ones that you use like this that are filthy, that you use on your wheels and stuff. So once you have them separated, you got a couple options when it comes to washing these. Put them in your primary machine if you want to. I don't know if I would, because they can leave, or they usually do leave, a ring of dirt and filth in the drum of your washing machine. You don't want that. Proceed at your own risk if you want to go that route. I'd even pick up something like this. This is an OxiClean washing machine cleaner. So tear this off, throw this in your machine, put it on the hottest setting you can. That can help to clean your machine out. If you have hookups for a second washing machine, you can find these on Craigslist for like 50 bucks. People are looking to sell these things left and right because nobody can pick them up. They're hard to recycle, so you can get some really good deals on Craigslist. But if you're in an apartment, if you don't have an extra hookup for a backup machine, you can actually pick up what's called a portable washing machine. These are about 50 to 100 bucks. You can either buy them electric, or you can buy ones that have like a hand crank on them. The hand crank ones are gonna be a little bit cheaper. If you really wanna go to the trouble of doing that, it's up to you. I like the electric ones because you really just plug them in, you fill them up with water, and you throw your towels in and you're done. You dump out the dirty water, you put, fresh warm water back in these, you let it go again. And that's pretty much it. If you're really just looking to wash microfiber towels, maybe gloves, maybe stuff that you use outside that you don't want to throw in your washing machine, I think these are pretty good. You can use them for camping. They have a bunch of different applications. So that's another option that I haven't really heard people talk about. So the third option for washing these is just in a bucket. You can just soak these overnight. I've seen people use plungers. It's really not as effective, so I really would recommend just purchasing some sort of machine. But when it comes to detergents, washing these, Chemical Guys makes a dedicated microfiber detergent. You also have something like this. This is just your standard free and clear detergent. It doesn't have fragrances or perfumes or dyes or anything like that. You want to stay away from anything with fabric softener. I picked this up for like 6 or 7 bucks. I think Tide makes one of these as well. A lot of detailers just use this stuff. Once everything is cleaned, you want to put them in the dryer on the lowest heat setting possible. Separate them by type. Make sure you don't have any like lint in the screen or any sort of paper in there. So that's basically how I would wash microfiber towels. When it comes to wash mitts, if it's a microfiber material, you really can put it in the washing machine. You can dry it really the same way. If it's more of a synthetic, or if it's an animal fiber, some sort of sheepskin, you don't want to put these in the washing machine. They tend to tear apart and break apart, or dry them because it can really ruin them. You just want to make sure you soak those. If you're a fan of those older types of wash mitts, that's what I would do for washing and drying wash mitts. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave a comment below. This is a channel where I just try to share what I've learned in detailing with beginners and business owners who are looking to scale their businesses. I hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.